Hello, welcome to the channel. Drug mule arrested in Brazil. What happens next? If you or someone close to you has been arrested in Brazil after being accused of carrying drugs across borders, the shock is immediate and the confusion is real. Many foreigners believe the situation will be quick to explain or easy to fix, but Brazil treats this case as serious criminal matters from the first minute. When someone is arrested as a suspected drug mule in Brazil, the case usually starts at the airport or border, followed by a formal arrest, questioning, and immediate involvement of federal authorities. The person is taken into custody, personal items are seized, and an official investigation begins. Statements are taken often before the full consequences are understood, and everything said at this stage can shape the entire case. Drug trafficking charges in Brazil are not limited to large organizations. Even first-time travelers, people carrying luggage for others, or individuals claim lack of knowledge can face the same criminal process. One of the biggest misunderstandings foreigners have is believing that saying, "I did not know," automatically solves the problem. In Brazil, intent is examined through evidence, behavior, communications, travel patterns, and how the substance are concealed. Another common mistake is assuming that cooperation without legal guidance will lead to immediate release. In practice, poorly handled statements can create contradictions that are difficult to reverse later. Many also believe that being a foreigner will result in deportation instead of prosecution. In reality, criminal procedures usually move forward first, and immigration consequences come later. The situation becomes legally serious when preventive detention is ordered, which is common in drug trafficking cases involving international roads. From that point, the person may remain in custody while the investigation continues. Evidence is analyzed and formal charges are filed. The penalties can be severe and the process can take time, especially when international elements are involved. Families are often surprised by the speed of early decisions and the slow pace that follows. Another critical risk is not understanding the language, the procedure, or the difference between police questioning and court hearings. Small procedure errors at the beginning can limit defense options later. It's also important to understand that each case is analyzed individually. Factors such as quantity, concealment method, prior travel history, communications, and financial links all matter. There is no automatic outcome and no standard shortcut. What happens next depends on how the case is handled from the first hours onward, how evidence is challenged, and how the narrative of the facts is built with the legal system. If you are trying to understand what lies ahead of a drug mule arrest in Brazil, clarity and strategy matter more than panic. This is a moment where informed decisions make a real difference. If this topic is relevant to you or someone you know, subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, share this video with friends who may face international travel risks, visit our site shown on the screen, and feel free to reach out if you have questions. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.